Hi guys, and welcome to our webinar. Today is February 18. My name is Nenad, and as always, our weekly Forex recap. Today we will be a little bit faster. I will show you results for the previous week and new setups for today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday. But have in mind well, I just got today from Amsterdam, and well, I haven't had enough time to prepare for every question and to analyze all pairs. So I will just show you past week results and will show you today's setups. I hope that you enjoyed last week trading. We had a lot of pips. Now I will cut to the chase. And first we go with this disclaimer saying that CFD and Forex or leverage products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. Have in mind that everything you hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules, same as always, give price a breathing room. We enter in the zone. It's called the POC zone. We add a spread always to our stop loss for equities, commodities, and every market, guys. Always add to your stop loss, add a spread, and add a little bit more, especially for Forex. It's in between 7 and 10 pips just to cover for, well, various broker differences, types of account, and so on. As always, you know trading rules. Last week results, euro dollar positional sell 100 pips, pound dollar positional sell 120 pips possible, the Australian dollar positional sell 40 pips possible, dollar yen loss minus 20 pips, the BTC dollar alternative sell possible was 65 pips, and a gold possible was 100 pips. Total pip pool was 405. Well, just a little bit typo. The trade of the week was the GBP dollar after some quite a time. Well, GBP dollar really started to follow our excellent setups. So I'm very glad that GBP dollar was the trade of the week. Quick comment before we continue. Ali saying, hi Nenad, I watched your webinar on Facebook seminar. Yeah. It was very successful. Thanks for it. I wish you and all of the Elite Currency team the best. You're always great and teach a lot of things to traders. Seminar in Utrecht. Yeah, thank you, Ali. It was a very nice seminar. We had a stream on Facebook, but we will also edit the video and we'll upload it to YouTube. So you also will be able to watch our seminar in Utrecht that happened 2 days ago. Now, guys, let's move on. Euro dollar was in downtrend. We sold it exactly, guys, at the POC zone, and this could have been easily the trade of the week. You see the price rejected. This could have been the trade of the week. Well, I hope that euro dollar would drop, and it dropped, and you see the pip count was very good, and possibly we could have made 100 pips. So this trade was very good. GBP dollar was in downtrend. 29.40 was sell, 29.80 stop, TP 28.15, buy 28.15, stop 27.80, TP 28.80. Well, again, the trade of the week, okay, exactly at the POC zone, bang, straight to the downside. Australian dollar 0.7115 was a sell, stop loss 71.45, TP 70.30. Alternative buy was 70.30, stop 69.90, TP 70.90. Again, exactly, guys, from this spot, the pair rejected. But even if you traded it from a long side, a little bit higher than 70.30, you could have also made pips. So you see what happened after our setups. Yeah, this vertical line always presents the time of our webinar. So after that, we see and evaluate results. Dollar yen was in uptrend, but actually we had a sell because the buy position didn't get. It didn't qualify for a buy. So this was just a sell that was actually, if you traded it here at this point, you would have made 30 pips. But if you trade it straight from the POC zone, you are in a loss. I count this as a loss. Probably it was, but if you traded from this spot, you would have been in profit. The BTC dollar, it was in uptrend, and well, the first thing that was initiated was a sell alternative that also went in nice profits. Regarding next spike to the upside, this was nice profits on a sell here. And gold, also one of the better trades, one of the best. Sell position 13, 20, 50. Price almost hit a stop, but of course, if you add a little bit, as I always say, to the stop loss, it hasn't been hit, and the price dropped significantly after. New setups, guys. Yeah, Ali saying, I hope to meet you in future seminars, maybe. I hope so too, guys. And Ali, of course, feel free always to chat with us, to talk with us, and we will see if we have any seminar in plan. I hope we do. Okay, now let's get on, guys, to our setups for today's setups. So these setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and possibly early Monday. Okay, so let's see what can happen. Okay, I'm moving to this account now. Yeah. Okay, so euro dollar is in a retracement mode, guys. Actually, you see this. I was thinking about shorting the euro dollar, because you see still this zigzag is to the downside, and even though we didn't have a signal here, I was thinking to actually short it, because the price hit the Bollinger Band, closed inside Bollinger Band with a Marubozu. This is clear bearish pattern, and now you see it broke through weekly H3, so this is going down. Yes, euro dollar might turn to uptrend, but still it's a little bit of a downtrend at this spot. So this could have been either MTF or maybe CTT trade, counter trend trade. I'm working on a CTT. I still haven't started yet, but from tomorrow I'll be starting. I started working on Camarilla counter trade revised template that will be done on the same template for the MTF, because the MTF is it has the far best results. Of course, Camarilla MACD Light and London Open Advanced are also excellent, but Camarilla MACD MTF produces excellent signals. Today we had GBP New Zealand 30 pips, and last week we had also like 6-7 wins and only 2 or 3 losses. On Camarilla MACD MTF we had only 1 loss out of, I don't know, 5-6 trades, but counter trend trade template gave us 2 losses. That is why I will revise it. So this is, guys, far the best template for trading at this point, and I'm sticking to it religiously. Although I have also other methods such as Camarilla MACD Light on 4-hour and London Open Advanced. I'm sticking to the MTF because it's the best. Really, it's the best. So, guys, if you have any questions regarding other pairs, you can ask me now. But have in mind that I didn't analyze it, and I'm very, very tired because I slept for only 3 hours last night. So I will be quick with this, and will show you only setups. Okay. So euro dollar, I think if it gets here around 2090 zone, it could spike to the upside, because it looks like it's correcting, and this could be head and shoulders. Although it still has the room to the downside, my plan is to spot if there is some long setup around 2090, stop loss 2060, TP 1350, sell is 1350, stop 1385, TP is 1290. My opinion is that you can always watch for a reversal pattern on 1 hour, eventually 15 minutes in the zone, and then take the trade. So this is for euro dollar. GBP dollar, 2850 sell, stop loss 2820, TP 2980. So 2850. Okay, GBP dollar. Okay, let me just. So GBP dollar is yeah, let me just check the slide. Should be 28. No, this is a typo again, guys. I am seeing this typo. It's a buy, of course, 2850. So yeah, let me quickly change it. Sorry, 2850. 2850 is GBP dollar. So if it gets here, watch for a buy position, And if it goes to 28, 29, 80, 85, this could be a sell. See? So buy, sell. I will also roll the slides a little bit later. The Australian dollar, uptrend at this point. It's ranging, I might say, but this is on intraday time frame. It's uptrend. So for the Australian dollar, guys, this is potential setup. Let me quickly. Okay, my dog is barking. So yeah. Okay. Let's see the Australian dollar. 71.10 is a buy. 70.80 stop. TP 71.80. Sell is 71.80. Stop loss 72.20. TP is 71.20. So this is the Australian dollar. If it gets here, watch for a reversal pattern. It should stay above the middle Bollinger Band, definitely, because the best long setups are above middle band. The best short setups are below. I mean, best, not necessarily, but maybe the safest, I might say. So yeah, this is uptrend on a 1 hour time frame. So I guess the price could reject from down there. This is what you might expect again from the Australian dollar. I would go for a long if it shows some reversal pattern. It's close to the POC zone, very, very close. Dollar CAD ranging 31.20 buy, 30.80 stop, TP 33.10, sell 33.10, stop 33.40, TP 32.50. Dollar CAD, okay, let me show you the dollar CAD. Okay, this is the dollar CAD. It's ranging. You see the flat middle line, up, down, nothing to be seen here. So if the price gets a little bit down, okay, let me check if this is a typo. 33.10 is a sell. Yeah, but 32.10 actually, guys. Yeah, typo. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired, as I said, from my travel. So actually 32.10 and 31.80 is a stop. So this is the setup for the dollar CAD. Okay, so the dollar CAD again 32.10 buy, 31.80 stop, 33.10 sell, 33.40 here. You see there is. Let me check again. Exactly. This is the selling spot. This is potential buy zone. Now it's in the middle, going nowhere at this point. Okay. And we have BTC dollar. Uptrend now, 37.05 buy, 36.05 stop, TP 40.10. Sell is 40.10, stop loss 41.10, TP 37.05. A little bit of uptrend in this, well, I could say huge downtrend. So there is some slight correction in the BTC dollar, but you see on intraday time frame. So if the price retest this zone here, I expect it to go up. It's an order block, ATR zone above weekly H5, but up a little bit, and it is a sell. So this is just, well, it goes up, it's correcting on 1 hour time frame, but well, other time frames are still bearish. So be careful with the BTC dollar. Although, as I say, I don't trade it, but I know that a lot of you trade the BTC dollar. That is why I'm doing the analysis, and so far it has been very successful. Gold 30.50 buy, stop loss 13.10, TP 13.30, sell 13.30, stop 30.35, TP 30.15. So buy position is 30.15. We have a gold. Okay, this is the gold. If the price drops, I expect it to be bought again. Okay, so 30.15. This is potential reversal for a long, and of course the target is around 13.30. We have a confluence here, 13.30, ATR pivot, weekly H4. So this is the zone to sell. Buy, sell. Now, guys, I will roll the slides again. We will save questions for other time. I was really wondering if I could make this webinar because as I said, I slept only for 3 hours, so I'm very, very tired. But yeah, that is the way of trader. Always sleep very, very little. You know, it's normal, I guess. So this is euro dollar. This is the GBP dollar. This is the Australian dollar. This is the dollar CAD. Sorry, yeah, dollar CAD. This is typo. I will correct it. Dollar CAD and the BTC dollar. Okay, and the gold. So I hope, guys, that you enjoyed. We will upload the webinar, so it will be uploaded, I guess, soon. Next Monday we have new recap. Until then, guys, we will have a price action training school on Wednesday. Of course, standard webinars with FXDD and with Elliott currency during the week. Sign up, guys. Don't forget to sign up. I wish you a great trading day.